What if I told you there's a free AI app builder that gives you 20,000 credits and Claude Opus 4.7, the most powerful AI model currently available, completely free? I'm not here to sell you dreams. Let me be straight with you. This is real and I tested it myself. The website you just saw, I built it in exactly 5 minutes. The mobile game running on my phone, 10 minutes, using Claude Opus 4.7 for free. This is not a sponsored video and not a paid partnership. I test free tools so I can bring them to you, and I only share the ones that genuinely deliver. If you sign up using my link, I may earn a small credit at no extra cost to you. That's it, full transparency. No coding, no design skills, no expensive software. A free AI app builder that's running something right now I genuinely haven't seen before. 20,000 free AI credits when you sign up through a specific link. That is not the normal free plan. The normal free plan gives you 3,000 credits. This link gives you 20,000. And here's where it gets interesting. These credits include free access to Claude Opus 4.7, the same model that costs $20 a month on Anthropic's own platform. You can build a mobile app with AI for free and use the most powerful model to do it. Step 1. Go to the link I'll share in the description and sign up for free. Now look, when you first create your account, you'll see 3,000 credits. That's the default. Don't stop there. Go to the link I'm giving you and you'll easily become the owner of 20,000 credits. And there it is, 20,000 credits sitting in your account. By the way, write Claude in the comments below and I'll send you every prompt I used, every link, everything. Now, fair warning, this 20,000 credit giveaway is a promotion. It could end at any moment. So if you're watching this and it's still active, don't wait. Step 2. This is where most people burn through their credits and walk away with nothing. Let me be straight with you. There are 2 modes in anything. Discussion mode uses very few credits. It's for planning, brainstorming, sketching out your idea. Thinking mode is the heavy one. That's where Claude Opus 4.7 actually builds your app. Here's my workflow. Use discussion mode first. Tell the AI what you want to build. A quiz game, a puzzle app, a habit tracker with gamification. Plan it out. Then switch to thinking mode for the actual build. This way, you save your credits and get a better result. You might ask, why does this matter? Because 20,000 credits sounds like a lot, but with Opus 4.7 in max mode, you can burn through them in 15 complex prompts. Plan first, build second. Step 3. Now let's build something real. I'm going to start with a website. My prompt. Create a stunning 3D interactive portfolio website for a YouTube channel called The Build AI that reviews and teaches AI tools. Now here I use Claude Opus 4.6 because I need to use my credits wisely. I select plan mode and hit send. It organizes everything, lays out a complete plan of what it's going to build, every section, every feature. I take a quick look, I approve it, and within 5 minutes, my website is ready. And honestly, it's genuinely incredible. Now, anything you want to change, you can do it right in the chat. For example, I want to put my own logo on the site. I upload my logo, I type replace the logo with mine, and in a few seconds, it handles that too. Hit publish, and you can either take it live instantly or connect a custom domain and have a real website running in under 15 minutes. And if you want full control, go to the code section and download the entire project to your computer or your server. One website built, and we still have close to 19,000 credits left. Step 4. Now we're going to build a mobile game. But if you've made it this far and you're excited to try Claude Opus 4.7 for free, hit that like button. It really helps. And your beautiful comments always support me. By the way, subscribing to the channel takes just 2 seconds. That means everything to me. Now, for this one, I'm selecting Claude Opus 4.7 as my model. This is the free AI app builder at full power. I wrote a more detailed prompt this time. I'm building a tower defense game. Now here you have options. You could write your game directly in Flutter or Kotlin. I'm going with React. I send the prompt and I wait. Now this took a bit longer, and it built a web app first. No problem at all. The beautiful thing about React is you can easily convert it to a mobile game. I go to the chat and type, convert my web app to a mobile app, and I wait again. Full transparency. You could have built it directly in Flutter, but then you'd need Android Studio and all that setup on your PC. I'm showing you the fast way. And there it is. The mobile version is ready. I hit publish, click mobile app, hit preview app, and the game appears in the window. But to play it on my actual phone, I need the Expo app. I download Expo on my phone, scan the QR code, and look at this! A genuinely epic tower defense game. And it's actually fun. You can also publish it directly through the platform if you want. Make a game with AI, publish it, and potentially earn revenue. Zero initial cost. Full transparency. To publish on iOS, you need an Apple developer account which costs $99 a year. Android is $25 one time. But the app itself? Free to build. And this isn't just games. Anything has over 40 native device features. Camera access, GPS location, haptic feedback, barcode scanner, push notifications. You could build a fitness tracker that uses GPS, a recipe app that scans barcodes, a travel guide with location-based content, a meditation app with haptic feedback timers. This free mobile app builder AI isn't limited to simple stuff. You get real hardware access. If I'm being completely honest with you, there are limitations. And I'm not here to sell you dreams, so let me be straight with you about what this can't do. First, 20,000 credits is finite. You can build maybe 2 or 3 complex apps before they run out. After that, you'd need the Pro plan at $19 a month. Second, these are simple apps. Think Flappy Bird, not Call of Duty. Quiz games, habit trackers, utility apps. Not AA games with complex physics engines. Third, the generated code sometimes has bugs. You'll need to test and iterate. And fourth, App Store submission requires a developer account and Apple's review process, which can reject apps for design quality. This is not a magic button. You'll still need to polish. But for building a functional mobile app with AI for free, this genuinely shocked me. I've tested dozens of free AI app builder tools. This one is different. So here's the bottom line. Anything.com is giving away 20,000 AI credits right now. Those credits include access to Claude Opus 4.7, the model that normally costs $20 a month. You can build a real website. You can build a real mobile game. You can publish it. You can even add monetization. The future of app development isn't locked behind a $50 monthly subscription anymore. So how far do 20,000 credits really go? Here's my breakdown after testing. A simple landing page, about 200 credits. A multi-page website with animations, 500 to 800. A full mobile game with multiple screens, around 2,000 to 3,000. So with 20,000, you can realistically build 2 or 3 complex apps or 10 plus simple ones. Use them wisely. This is not unlimited. Write Claude in the comments and I'll send you the sign up link and every prompt I used. Subscribing to the channel takes just 2 seconds. That means everything to me. Let me know in the comments what you think and what app you'd build first. See you in the next video.